The Draw tool in the Trails application allows you to draw on the map and make points and select it by different features. If you'd like to add a point, you can do so by selecting one of these basic point symbols and placing a point on the map. You can also change the size of it as well. To undo what you've done, you can select the clear button and the point goes away. You can also draw a line from one point to another point. So if I'd like to draw a point from this fence to this trail marker, I can do so. And I can change the color of it. I can change the width of it. And I can also show the measurement of the length by drawing from one point to another. And the way that I do is I hold it down till I want to go to the point and let go. And then the length of it shows up right there. And I can also move it as well. And as I add more points, the lengths will show. To clear everything that I've done, I just hit the clear button. You also have a freehand tool that you can do to click and make a line from one area to another to include that on the map. To finish your drawing at the end, just double click and it appears on the map. You can also add a text box as well by selecting your text and saying what you would like to show on the map. And it pops up. Again, to undo what you did, just hit the clear button.